We have a traffic alert for drivers in DeWitt. A project will start next week to rehabilitate the bridges carrying 690 over Bridge Street. Drivers on 690 can expect shifting traffic lanes. The on-ramp to 690 east from Bridge Street will be closed. There will also be lane closures on Bridge Street itself. The project includes placing new concrete bridge decks and replacing joints, pedestals, structural supports on both the east and westbound bridges. The majority of the work should be done around December. The city of